Hello, and welcome back to our channel. If you're over 60, keeping your brain sharp, your memory strong, and your focus clear is one of the most powerful gifts you can give yourself. And believe it or not, what you eat every single day has a direct impact on how your brain functions. Today, we're diving into 7 superfoods for the brain. Foods that science has proven to protect memory, improve focus, and even slow down age-related decline. So stay tuned, because number 7 might surprise you. First up, walnuts, often called food for the brain. If you look closely, walnuts even look like tiny human brains. And that's not just a coincidence. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E. These compounds reduce inflammation in the brain and protect neurons from damage. In fact, one large study found that older adults who ate a handful of walnuts at least 3 times a week performed much better on memory and concentration tests compared to those who didn't. So, what's the takeaway? Add a small handful of walnuts, almonds, or cashews to your breakfast or salad. Just remember, moderation is key, because nuts are calorie-dense. Next on the list, blueberries, the tiny fruit with massive brain power. Blueberries contain a unique set of antioxidants called anthocyanins. These give the berries their deep purple color and are scientifically linked to slowing down brain aging. One study from Harvard found that people who regularly consumed blueberries and strawberries delayed memory decline by up to 5 years compared to those who didn't. That's like keeping your brain almost 3 years younger, simply by enjoying berries. The best part? You don't need much. A half cup of blueberries in your morning oatmeal, smoothie, or yogurt can make a big difference. Third, let's talk about fatty fish: salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring. These fish are loaded with DHA, a form of omega-3 that builds the very structure of brain cells. Without DHA, neurons can't communicate properly, which affects memory, mood, and mental sharpness. A fascinating study showed that seniors who ate fish twice a week had 30% lower risk of Alzheimer's disease. Even their MRI brain scans revealed less shrinkage in critical memory areas. If you're not a fan of fish oil or algae-based supplements can also help. But whenever possible, real food is the best choice. Fourth, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli. These are packed with vitamin K, lutein, and folate, nutrients that feed the brain and slow cognitive decline. One major study published in Neurology revealed that older adults who ate just 1 serving of leafy greens a day had the cognitive abilities of people 11 years younger. 11 years? A simple way to get more greens is by blending spinach into smoothies, sautéing kale with garlic, or adding broccoli to stir-fry. Your brain will thank you. Number 5 is extra virgin olive oil. This may sound simple, but the type of oil you use for cooking has an incredible effect on your brain health. Olive oil is full of polyphenols, natural compounds that reduce brain inflammation and protect against toxins. The famous MIND diet, which has been shown to lower Alzheimer's risk by nearly 50%, recommends olive oil as the primary fat source. Swap out butter or margarine with olive oil whenever possible, especially in salads or light cooking. 6th on our list, eggs. Eggs are one of the best sources of choline, a nutrient your brain uses to create acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter responsible for memory and learning. Low levels of choline have been linked to poor cognitive function and even dementia. The yolk, often feared for cholesterol, actually contains most of these brain-boosting nutrients. 2 to 3 eggs a week can be a healthy addition to your diet, especially if balanced with vegetables. And finally, yes, you can eat chocolate, but the right kind. Dark chocolate with at least 70 cocoa is loaded with flavonoids that increase blood flow to the brain, enhance focus, and improve short-term memory. In one study, people who consumed dark chocolate before a cognitive test performed better in problem-solving and reaction time. The key is moderation. 1 or 2 small squares a day is enough to enjoy the benefits without overdoing sugar. So, let's recap. The 7 brain superfoods for seniors are walnuts, blueberries, fatty fish, leafy greens, olive oil, eggs, and dark chocolate. These foods don't just taste great. They literally protect your brain, sharpen your memory, and may keep you feeling decades younger. If you start adding even 2 or 3 of these foods into your weekly routine, your brain will thank you in the years to come. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods do you already eat? And which one will you start adding to your diet? Leave your answer in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need these tips. Stay healthy, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, let's move on to avocados, one of the healthiest fats you can eat. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that improve blood flow, not only to the heart, but also to the brain. Good blood circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your brain cells. They're also rich in lutein, an antioxidant that helps protect brain cells from stress and damage. In fact, studies show that older adults who ate avocados daily had significantly better attention span and working memory than those who didn't. The easiest way to add them? Spread avocado on whole grain toast, blend it into smoothies, or simply slice it into your salad. Next, green tea, often considered nature's gentle brain booster. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that relaxes the mind while improving focus. Combined with a mild dose of caffeine, this creates a calm but alert state, perfect for reading, puzzles, or conversation. But that's not all. Green tea is rich in polyphenols that protect the brain from free radical damage, lowering the risk of cognitive decline. Drinking just 1 or 2 cups a day may help improve both mood and memory. So if coffee makes you jittery, switch to green tea for a smoother boost. Another hidden gem for brain health: pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. Each of these minerals plays a critical role in brain function. Magnesium supports learning and memory. Iron helps prevent brain fog and fatigue. Zinc improves communication between brain cells. And copper helps nerve signals travel efficiently. Even a small handful of roasted pumpkin seeds can supply your brain with these vital nutrients daily. Finally, let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice of life. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound that crosses the blood-brain barrier and directly benefits brain cells. Curcumin boosts levels of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which supports the growth of new neurons and keeps existing ones strong. This may explain why turmeric is linked to lower rates of Alzheimer's in populations where it's a common part of the diet. Adding turmeric to soups, stews, or even golden milk before bed can be a simple way to protect your memory. So now our full list includes walnuts, blueberries, fatty fish, leafy greens, olive oil, eggs, dark chocolate, avocados, green tea, pumpkin seeds, and turmeric. That's 11 powerful foods that can fuel your brain and memory even after 60. But remember, it's not just about one single food. It's about creating a lifestyle. A colorful plate, daily movement, restful sleep, and a positive mindset all work together to keep your brain sharp and healthy. Start small. Add 1 new food this week. Swap butter for olive oil, Replace dessert with dark chocolate, or start your morning with blueberries. Over time, these small habits become powerful brain protection.